So guys, now we are going to see how to perform operations on alert box. Okay, so there are mainly three kinds of alert boxes. So like first one is this kind of click me. If you click on it, it will pop up this section. You just need to click OK, that's it. Okay, and if you click OK, yeah, perfect. And then the second one is this click me. If you click on it, there are two options now, OK and cancel. If you click OK, you can see it printed you pressed OK, and if you click on cancel, you can see you pressed cancel, right? And the third one is alert box. This is a prompt alert box. If you click on it, it will ask you for something, name, email address or something like that. Then you have to click OK or cancel, right? So if I just put over here refinder and then click OK, you can see you have entered refinder, right? Similarly, if I just write enter name and click on cancel, it will perform nothing. Okay, so there are mainly these three kinds of alert boxes. So we will see how to perform operations on on these three kinds of alert boxes. Okay, so in this video we are going to see only on the first case, then we are going to see the second case, and then third case. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, obviously we need to open this browser. So I'm just copying. Okay, let me just write over here this line, then paste it over here. Then I'll just change the link with this thing, copy and change the link with that particular one. Yeah, perfect. Now let's make a new cell, and here I'm going to just write, first of all we have to find the ID of this click me. So I'm going to go in spade. So this is a button which is click me, and the class is, I guess, let me check the second one. Okay, the class is same for everyone, so we can't choose this class on click. Okay, so I'm going to choose this on click. So that means we have to write X path. Okay, so we'll just write over here alert, what is this, simple alert box, right? So I'm just write alert box, and that will be equals to driver dot find element by X path, this one. So I'll just write a syntax, that is this thing, and I'll change this div with button, and the data ID is actually on click. So yeah, on click, and on click inside this my alert function, I'm just copying this name and paste it over here. Oops, yeah, my alert function, perfect. So after writing this line, we have to click on that particular section, right? So we have to click on this click me, right? So we are going to write over here alert box dot click. Okay, that's it, and it will actually click on that particular section and it will pop up this section, right? So this is an alert box, right? So we are going to wait for some time so that the pop-up can load properly. Time dot sleep for 5 seconds. Yeah, perfect. And then we are going to click on this OK, right? So for that you just need to write driver dot switch to alert. Okay, switch to alert, that's it. And that means now the driver will only this portion, okay, only this black portion, and then we are going to click on OK, right? So to click on OK, you just need to write dot accept. Okay, dot accept the method. You can directly write over here dot accept, and this is a method, or you can just make a variable. For example, this is a object, and that is this thing, and we are going to write over here object dot accept. Okay, before accepting this thing, we can also wait for some time so that you can see the function properly. Time dot sleep for around 2 seconds, and I can also add like to print whatever written over there. So I can just write over there print object dot txt, then it will wait for 2 seconds. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's minimize the screen. Yeah, so let's run the first cell to open up that particular website. So you can see it opened automated browser, and now it is loading that website. And now we're going to click on that alert button, then it will wait for 5 seconds, then it will print whatever written on that particular alert button, then it is going to accept. That means it will click OK. Okay, so let's run this cell. You can see it open that alert button. It is waiting 5 seconds to print out. So you can see I am an alert box and it click OK. Okay. So in this way you can perform the operation on an alert box, a simple alert box. Okay.